My name is Lacey Weiss. I'm entering into my 5th and final year of Mechanical Engineering and Society. Being involved in research has also helped my extracurricular life. It's helped me obviously with time management and organization, but more importantly, it's helped me realize just how important connections are. Staying up to date with people, keeping in touch even after they graduate. This is something that I never used to practice, and working in research, everyone is always on the move, everyone's moving to different countries and continents, so keeping in touch is actually a great way for knowledge transfer, and losing touch with individuals is so easy nowadays, but so is gaining that back. So that's something that graduating members of the undergraduate program here at McMaster should probably work really hard to attain, and it's something that I'm still working on to this day.